Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview swimming pool set with cleaning maintenance kit. Make a splash all summer long with the Intex Easy Set inflatable pool that is easy to set up and store. This pool will make your backyard the place to be all summer as your family can relax and play. Aeration Technology is incorporated to the cartridge filter pump, providing improved circulation and filtration, improved water clarity, and increased negative ions at the water surface. A 110 to 120 volt Krystal Clear cartridge filter pump is included and is very easy to install. Just hook up the hoses and enjoy clean, refreshing water. Product benefits. This pool, constructed of 3-ply material, includes 110 to 120 volt filter pump, 1,500 gallons per hour ladder, ground cloth, debris cover, filter cartridge, and informative DVD. Easy setup design is ready for water in as little as 30 minutes. No tools needed. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.